Hey guys, our 80s bathroom is about to get an update and we want to take you along with us.
Yeah, and we're going to need your suggestions for this bathroom makeover.
We want to go with something a little more mature. This bathroom is going to be our guest bathroom and our son's bathroom. Now, we don't want to spend a lot of money, of course. It's going to be on a budget. We want to see what we can do for each area and we'll show you what we're working with.
Let's go.
Let's start with the top. We are going to take off this wallpaper and change out this light fixture. So one thing we want to do is measure the top ceiling to our light fixture and that to our mirror. We're going to get all the measurements and sketch it out. So when we're looking for pieces, we can make sure they're still within what we need, especially with light fixtures, because sometimes they can get too big and we need to see what we're doing. So we always love a good tape measure. And so we're gonna take some measurements. In the middle of the light fixture, between 16 and 17. This is 47. Okay, bye.
There's a lot of scratches on this 1980s bathroom mirror. There's scratches on the left side, right side, and even in the middle. So now we have to think about the size and shape of the replacement mirror.
So let's talk about this countertop. This is that 80s seashell. This is original. So we haven't decided if we're going to just paint it or if we're going to replace it. So either way, let's measure it and you let us know what you think. So this sink is 46 inches, but really you have to take account of this. Okay, so we're gonna measure the sink from over here.
So this is one of the things that I'd like to change in this 80s bathroom, the light switch. I'd like to put a timer in here, and this one controls the light above me, this one controls the fan, and this switch controls the light above the shower. And we want to definitely change the shower light. We like the wood of the 80s old cabinets and vanities, but we're not sure if we want to paint it or stain it. And we're definitely going to change out this hardware right here that you see. And we'd like to find some slow close door hinges for this cabinet, so we don't have to deal with stuff like this. What do you think?
One thing that we're thinking is we may keep chrome or silver accents in hardware because of this safety bar that was installed, safety pull bar, and we don't want to take this out or change it. We want to keep this in here just because we have a multi-generational family. Also, these old 80s toilet roll holders, they are very annoying. And this whole setup is kind of hard, but we don't want to have a separate one. We're thinking of what we're going to do with these. We also have an issue with towels, like where are we going to hang our towels for the shower? Right now we have a shower bar here and that doesn't close that easily. We don't know what we want to do with the frame. And then just overall, what we can do on this side of the bathroom to give it an update.
So we're going to change out all the toilets in this house, and this toilet right here is going to probably be one of the first to go. It's not an 80s toilet, but it is an older toilet for us. We're going to change out this light fixture right above the shower, and as you can see, it has some rust on it. We're gonna definitely change this out. So we also want to change out the old 80s fan and the fan cover. These older fans are so loud and annoying. The updated ones are much quieter and smoother when you turn them on. So we're gonna see what we can find.
And guys, I believe these curtains and blinds are original to this house because look at them. It's pink ruffles. The blinds here are broken. I don't know when they've been replaced. There's like two. Do you guys have those where you leave the turn little poles in the windowsill? So we're gonna see if we can make this space a lot nicer. And unfortunately, we're gonna have to get rid of the strawberry picture. I'll have to ask my mom if a family member, you know, made this, and we might have to put it somewhere else, but it's not going to be in here. So we're going to remove that. And definitely we're saying bye to the wallpaper. So the big question is going to be, do we paint or do we wallpaper again? This is our tour of our 80s bathroom before it is updated. We're so glad you are here with us. We look forward to your suggestions and we can't wait to show you the transformation.